It's a declaration of the National Conference on Human Rights and Social Welfare held at Karachi between 21st and 23rd of February 2001. It's being presented on behalf of the Ambassador of International Human Rights Commission, Haji Mohammad Javed, who attended the first session but had to go back to Peshawar for some other engagements. International Human Rights Commission, as an international partner organization, lauds the efforts of United Nations and affiliated organizations for celebrating year 2001 as Year of Volunteers. The conference emphasizes that the government and organizational societies worldwide should recognize the vital contribution of volunteers. Their work must be facilitated and encouraged to promote public-private partnership, which shall help the government to improve their efficiencies and shall result in the most needed good governance, and their horizon and capacity to reach most people can further develop. The government shall ensure to minimize illegal detention, malpractices during investigation. It should incorporate independent authority to act as a watchdog during the investigation period, as at present both the investigation and custodian authority is the police. Accountability shall be fair and just. The induction, promotion and transfer shall be on merit in all the disciplines. Lateral entries in superior senior position in government public sector has discouraged the sincere and hard-working employees. Therefore, it should be minimized and hard-working and honest employees of the institution be given fair opportunity to go to the higher position. The conference emphasizes that the world community should respond and the people of Azad Kashmir, people of Jammu and Kashmir be given right of self-determination as provided in UN resolution, and India should be forced to stop violation of human rights forthwith.